Hi, we are the Bingaling Boys group. Our group has Shanun, Jaya, Lucas and Jamie. Today we are showing you the food on every state of Malaysia. Johor, located at the southern tip of peninsular Malaysia, Johor is known for its unique laksa Johor, a noodle dish made with spaghetti in a rich fish-based gravy, and mee bandung, a flavorful noodle soup with a mix of prawns, meat, and eggs in a spicy broth. The state's coastal location also means an abundance of fresh seafood. Kedah, as the rice ball of Malaysia, Kedah offers dishes like nasi ulam, rice mixed with a variety of local herbs, and laksa Kedah, a tangy and spicy noodle dish served in a fish-based gravy. The state's agricultural bounty includes fresh vegetables and fruits, which are often incorporated into their dishes.
Kelantan, situated in the northeastern part of peninsular Malaysia, Kelantan is renowned for nasi kerabu, a vibrant blue rice dish served with fresh herbs, vegetables, and grilled meat or fish. Ayam persik, grilled chicken marinated with a rich, spicy coconut sauce, is another local favorite. The cuisine here is influenced by Thai flavors, reflecting its proximity to Thailand.
Kuala Lumpur, the bustling capital city, is a melting pot of cuisines, offering everything from street food to high-end dining. Signature dishes include nasi lemak, Malaysia's national dish featuring coconut milk rice, sambal, fried crispy anchovies, toasted peanuts, and boiled egg, and Hokkien mee, thick noodles stir-fried in dark soy sauce with pork, squid, and cabbage. Labuan, this federal territory is an island known for its fresh seafood, particularly its crabs and fish dishes. Local delicacies often feature freshly caught seafood prepared in various styles, from simple grilled fish to more elaborate dishes like seafood curry. Malacca, a historic city with a rich colonial past, Malacca is famous for its asam pedas, a spicy and soft fish stew, and chicken rice balls, a unique twist on the classic Hainanese chicken rice where rice is shaped into small balls. The state's cuisine reflects a blend of Malay, Chinese, and Portuguese influences. Negeri Sembilan, renowned for its Minangkabau-inspired cuisine, Negeri Sembilan offers dishes such as rendang, a slow-cooked dry curry made with beef, and masak lemak sili API, a spicy coconut milk-based dish often cooked with poultry or seafood. The flavors here are robust and rich, with a significant use of spices and coconut milk. Pahang, the largest state in peninsular Malaysia, Pahang is known for ikan patin masak tempoyak, a catfish dish cooked in a fermented durian paste, and nasi kabuli, a fragrant rice dish cooked with meat and spices. The state's lush rainforests and rivers provide an abundance of fresh ingredients used in its local cuisine. Penang, often hailed as the food capital of Malaysia, Penang is famous for its street food, particularly kar kway teow, stir-fried flat rice noodles with prawns, egg, and bean sprouts, and Penang laksa, a tangy tamarind-based fish soup. The island's culinary scene is a fusion of Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors. Perak, known for Ipoh's white coffee and Hor Fun, a smooth rice noodle soup typically served with chicken or prawns, Perak is also famous for rendang tok, a rich, dry beef curry. The state's cuisine features a blend of Malay and Chinese influences, with a focus on simple yet flavorful dishes. Perlis, the smallest state in Malaysia, Perlis offers traditional dishes like laksa perlis, a noodle dish served in a rich fish broth, and ikan bakar, grilled fish marinated with local spices. The state's proximity to Thailand also adds a slight Thai influence to its culinary offerings. Putrajaya, although a planned city and the federal administrative center of Malaysia, Putrajaya offers a variety of modern and traditional Malaysian dishes due to its diverse population. The city's restaurants often serve a mix of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisine, reflecting the nation's culinary diversity. Sabah, Known for its breathtaking natural beauty, Sabah also offers an abundance of fresh seafood. The state's unique dish, hinwa, is a type of ceviche made with raw fish marinated in lime juice, ginger, and bird's eye chili. Other local delicacies include seafood noodles and turan mee, a traditional fried noodle dish. Sarawak, the largest state in Malaysia, Sarawak is famous for laksa Sarawak, a spicy noodle soup with a rich coconut broth, and kolo mee, a dry noodle dish typically served with minced pork and sliced barbecued pork. The state's indigenous communities also contribute to its diverse culinary landscape with dishes like manok panso, chicken cooked in bamboo. Selangor, the most developed and populous state, Selangor is known for satai kajang, skewered grilled meat served with peanut sauce, and bakut teh, a herbal pork rib soup. The state's cuisine reflects a blend of Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors, offering a wide range of dishes to suit every palate. Terengganu, renowned for its traditional snacks like keropok lekor, a fish sausage snack, and nasi dagang, rice steamed in coconut milk served with fish curry, Terengganu's cuisine is heavily influenced by its coastal location, featuring an abundance of seafood dishes.